Today I will be showing you how to make delicious seasoned french fries in an air fryer. Stay tuned! Before I begin our video, let's take a few seconds to make sure you're watching this in the highest quality possible. If you're watching on a computer, just press Settings, then go to Quality, and pick the highest number available. If 4K is an option, press 4K, if not 1080p. Now if you're on a phone, just lightly press on the screen and three little dots on the right hand corner will appear. Press on those and let's pick quality all the way at the top. Then let's click the advanced option. Once you clicked advanced, pick the biggest number. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and peel our potato. As you can tell, I'm not peeling it completely, I'm just peeling it lightly because that extra layer of skin will give it a little bit more flavor. Let's go ahead and cut it in half long ways, and then we're going to slice each half like such. If you prefer to make potato wedges, you can stop at this step. But for this video, we're going to make french fries, so each of these wedges we're going to cut to shape it into an actual french fry. Like this. This is the perfect size for a french fry. Now let's just repeat this step until we have many french fries, enough for the whole family. Be careful not to make them too small because food tends to shrink in the air fryer and you don't want them to burn. Now we're going to fill it all the way to the top with water and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. That will remove the excess starch that is in the potatoes. This is an important step. Now while we wait on that, I'm just going to go ahead and put a tester potato in here because it'll be the first thing that I ever fry in this air fryer. So we're just going to test it out with this one first. I don't recommend that you eat the very first thing that you put in an air fryer because they do make it with chemicals, and even in the owner's manual it tells you to get rid of the manufacturer's coating oil that they put on the machine when you first buy it. So if you want to see how to do that, how to remove the manufacturer's coating oil, I have a video specifically for that under this one, so go ahead and check that video out. Now when your fries are ready and it's been 30 minutes to an hour, go ahead and dry them off really well and season them with salt, oil, and it's optional if you want to add chili powder, garlic powder, Cajun powder, and then give them a really good mix. Now I'm just going to place them in my air frying racks. It's kind of preferable that you don't stack them on top of each other, but I just made way too many of them, so I just wanted them to be done quickly. Press the french fry option if your machine has the french fry option, and then press start. And here you have it. I hope you guys enjoy these delicious fries. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!